Hey everybody, it's Mr. Chris at the Hudson Area Public Library, and we are doing kind of a special take and make kit. I'm celebrating the upcoming launch of the James Webb Space Telescope, which is this massive orbiting telescope, and we've got a launch party happening at the Phipps Center for the Arts on December 28th, and we have all these kind of special activities leading up to it. So one of them is the Unfold the Universe Art Challenge. And that's where people can submit any kind of artwork that inspires them about discovery or science or missions to space, or specifically what a telescope might see, or anything in the architecture of the James Webb Space Telescope. It can be drawings, a video, a song, whatever you'd like to do. But if you want to post that on social media, your parents can help you with that. You just add the hashtag #UnfoldTheUniverse. And then if you want to send in any of your art to the library, we'd love to display it in the building. So if you're stopping by to pick up books for curbside delivery, you could drop off the art then. Or if you'd like to email it to the library, we could print it out and hang it up that way. And then we're going to be giving out some prize cards to local stores in the Hudson area for the top voted artworks that are submitted. So we'd love to have you do it, and part of the kit was, some people are like, well, I don't know even where to start with that. So I included a kit with some coloring sheets we have here of the James Webb Telescope. You can kind of see it hiding in there. And so we have 3 different coloring sheet panels that are included. This one kind of a head-on view. This is what the telescope looks like if you're looking at it front ways, straight on. And so those 3 coloring sheets are in there. And then there's also a sheet, a gold piece of paper, and an instruction sheet how to make one of these, James Webb snowflake, since we're coming up on Christmas time. So it's got all those little hexagon, 6-sided shapes in there, which are like the mirrors on the Hubble Space Telescope. There's 18 of them, and they're little, it looks like a honeycomb, some people think. So there's a gold piece of paper in there, and then all the directions you need are on the sheet on how to do the folds to get that snowflake pattern when you make the cuts. And I can show you mine. So this is with the gold paper that's there, and then you got my snowflake that I made. So one tip on it, you'll have, you see this little kind of triangle piece that I cut out because I was making my snowflake. So that's this piece that's kind of the pattern for the snowflake. So once you make all the folds with your gold piece of paper, it'll be this kind of triangle size. You cut that out, and then in the directions it says you can trace this pattern, or what I did is I just set it right on top of the triangle of gold folded paper that I made, and then I kind of followed the cuts. So all the black areas you're cutting out, and the white areas you don't cut, you leave those as what'll unfold to make the snowflake. And then you've got a gold piece of paper in there. So you can do it with other pieces of paper that you have to practice with if you want. And then you can use the gold one to look like the gold mirrors on the James Webb Space Telescope. And then you got a Christmas decoration go in your window or on your tree or for that. So those are free to pick up. The building is not open right now, but if your parents are requesting books for you on a curbside pickup, or you're stopping in to get them, you can just ask for one of these kits, James Webb kits. They'll be in the plastic bag like the earlier take and make kits we were doing, and those can just be added to your curbside order. So if you want to get one of those, we'd love to see your art, and you can do that as a submission if you just want to color one of those sheets or turn in the snowflake or something else you'd like to do. But I'd love to see everybody's artistic take on this amazing new telescope that's going to explore and look deeper into the universe than we've ever seen before. So we'll have a lot of other videos. We're going to be doing a Facebook Live. We have this art contest going on for the next month where you can submit your art for it. We have the live presentation at the Phipps, and I'll be doing other videos on our YouTube channel. So kind of a 12 days of Christmas, but all built around the James Webb Space Telescope. So sorry I can't see people in person at the library, but I hope to see you at the Phipps, and we'll be sharing the videos and hoping to see your art that comes in, and trying to do some other surprises here in the next week or two surrounding this amazing new telescope mission that I'm all excited about. So I hope you're all doing well and have a great holiday break, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks.